Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the DJI Osmo Action multifunctional charging handle. Got this as a bundle and good deal. Here we're going to be going over the features. So I made some research and read online a couple reviews here and there, and apparently this one's a little bit better than the GoPros. So let's see what's all the hype about. And then they also said it tends to die pretty fast. So rather than getting another battery, I went ahead and got this to use it as a joystick to get better angles for vlogging. Now let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. I'm gonna start off with the handle first. Looks like it's a couple of adapters. Seems like it's nice and sturdy, pretty rigid. Doesn't feel cheap at all. Stands on its own as well. Has a tripod. For an extension, I believe so. And then here's a charging connection. I'll go on the side of the camera. The top moves, it seems like, to get better angles. It's pretty cool. It's a record capture button. It's pretty light. That's it for the box. Fresh. Alright, let's go ahead and open the camera now. So get ready guys, because the content with this camera, it's about to be insane. Probably the cheapest way to get 4K resolutions for videos. Here we have oh, it comes with the case. Nice. This is a quick release adapter mount with a locking screw, and then a curved adhesive base to put like a helmet if you're gonna go snowboarding or something like that. This case feels pretty rigid. Definitely will be strong just in case if we drop it. It also comes with this stickers so you can put on your water bottle or laptop. It also comes with its own charging cable. And to open the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro for only 300 bucks, you can start vlogging with 4K resolution. Probably the best deal out there right now if you want to start creating content. Also, this is a waterproof camera with a good lens. Sort of hooks to put it on the adapter, which we're using the charging handle. Some sort of magnet mechanism. This is a waterproof cover for the charging port. And on this side is where the battery goes in, and the SD card, I believe, on the bottom slot. It's pretty light. So here you have to scan the QR code with your phone, and then you're gonna have to download an app in order to start using it, create a profile and all that good stuff. And that way you're able to sync any footage that you take with it, and I believe you could also go live with this. It's pretty fast, responsive, and light. Alright guys, we got it we downloaded the app, and we could go ahead and start using it. You're already attached it on the handle and ready to start shooting that 4K. These vlogs are gonna be crazy. Gonna be doing traveling vlogs, car vlogs, and all that. Thanks for watching the video, fam. Appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.